welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Deanna and I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Sunber hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Alright, so the wig that I'm installing today is this 24-inch 7x5 pre-plucked, pre-bleached wig right here. So this is what the lace looks like, if you can see it. They pre-plucked the hairline for you and they also pre-bleached the knots. So as you can see, you don't have to do anything. And of course, I love a wig that is very, very simple to install. And this is their kinky straight texture. So as you can see, like, it's straight, but it still has like some texture to it to kind of like match your natural hair texture. And I really love kinky straight hair, especially like when you press it out and flat iron it, because it just looks really, really pretty and full. So I believe the density of this hair is 150% density. And then this is just what the wig looks like. So as you can see, the lace is already cut for you. The knots are already bleached. You can tell by the brown color on the inside. And then it has the combs at the sides, your elastic band right here, and then a comb at the bottom. And then their wig also has this non-slip grip up around your head to keep it from slipping and sliding, so you can wear it gluelessly. So I'm really excited about this install. I already know it's going to be really quick and easy to install. Like, I love an easy install, like, because nobody has time to be spending hours on no hair. In the box, they send you a what do you call this? A wig cap. Their wig band looks like this. Dust bag to put their hair in, which I absolutely appreciate, and a care kit here that comes with like another wig band, a wig cap, and some eyelashes. So if you want to see me install this wig and you want to see how easy it is, you got to keep on watching. I'm almost embarrassed to take this off, but ow, that is sticking to my neck. All right, so my hair is already slicked back. I just have some like thick chunky braids in the back, so I am going to put a wig cap over this so you don't have to look at my hair because it's embarrassing. But honestly, if you want to do this install without a wig cap, you absolutely can, because it is not necessary. I really just do it for the purpose of these videos. But sometimes, like when I wind up wearing my glueless wigs, I wind up sliding the wig cap off, only because sometimes you can see this like thick band underneath the lace, and that is not cute. But just for the purpose of these videos, I just like to put it on so you can't see my crazy hair. All right, so now that that's on, I'm just gonna take my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses, and I'm gonna take my makeup brush and I'm gonna color the wig cap so it can remotely at least match my skin tone. And again, this step is completely optional. You absolutely don't have to do this. Honestly, 8 times out of 10, I usually wind up taking off my wig cap at some point in my install. And like, you could just slide it off from the back, honestly, because it's not like glued to your hairline or anything. So if you like start off with the wig cap and then decide later on that you don't want to wear it, you absolutely can slide it off without removing your wig. But since it's a glueless wig, honestly, you can just take the wig off. But I know sometimes like we lay down our edges and our baby hairs, we don't want to go through all that, so you could actually like just slide it from the back, which is what I do. So they already bleached the knots pretty freaking well. So I used to use lace tint on the lace, but I felt like that made the lace look kind of like orangey, and since they already bleached the knots, I'm gonna leave it alone. I've just noticed recently that it just looks better when I don't use the lace tint on lace that's bleached. I think it's kind of a bit much, like it's not really necessary. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just adjust the wig band and put on the wig. Look how easy that was. I literally just slid this on my head. And the only thing is that I guess the lace right here lifted a little bit when it was shipping, because it kind of lifted. But besides that, this is on my head pretty easily. Like, I literally just put it on. And there you are. Like, I just put it on. And I only used the comb in the back. I didn't use the comb on the sides at all. And I really liked how this wig fits easily behind my ears, so it's comfortable and I literally didn't have to do anything to this, which is a relief, but I kind of knew it was gonna be like that. I love these type of wigs. And of course they are super sturdy, not going anywhere, not gonna slide off your head. But the only thing that's bothering me is that the lace kind of peeled up right here. And then of course you can see my edges right here from my natural hairline. So I'm just gonna do some things to fix that. But honestly, if you don't have my type of hairline and you don't want to do baby hairs, you really could just maybe like flat iron the hair a little bit, because it kind of has like some crinkles in it from the packaging. So you'd have to of course like style it, but after that you'll be good to go. Now I'm just gonna take my Eco Style gel, per usual. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and flat iron this hair. One thing that I was noticing is that even though this hair is kinky straight, it is not as poofy and as thick as other kinky straight wigs, and that's a really good thing. And that's because kinky straight hair is already thick, so when it comes in like 180 or 200 in density, it is like out to here, and it's very hard to get it to lay flat how I like. What I like is that this is 150% density, so it's like I still get the texture of kinky straight, I still get the look of kinky straight, but it doesn't have to be like so poofy and so like oversized. So that's one thing I noticed. I was like, I know this is kinky straight, but why does this seem a little different? Yeah, so I really love that about this wig. The texture to me though, like, it's kinky straight, but to me, like, just touching it, it feels like a yaki texture. So if you ever had like a yaki wig before, that's what it feels like. But I'm sure like when I flat iron it, it's gonna be like a lot smoother and softer. But also as like kinky hair, it's not supposed to be super smooth. So to straighten this hair, I'm gonna use my BioSilk throughout it. I feel like it'll help make it like soft and silky. So I'm just gonna take a little bit like this, like that much. And this is gonna be for the whole like bottom half of this hair. You really don't need a lot of this stuff. A little bit goes a very long way. So since it's kinky straight and it's still a little full, I'm just taking it like smaller sections than I normally would. Now my goal is to not get it bone straight, but I just wanna like straighten it out. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not trying to get it bone straight, but I do still want it pretty straight. So I'm just using this, I think this is like a 1.5 inch flat iron. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just gonna do a pass through the hair and see how it comes out. Oh. And yeah, this feels like someone's real hair. Like this texture feels like it would be like my real hair or something. It's so pretty. Like I'm excited. And it's crazy because I bought this flat iron specifically for kinky straight hair because it's wider. I definitely recommend using like a wider flat iron if you have one for this kind of hair, just because it makes the straightening process quicker. Because if you use a smaller one, you're gonna be straightening for days, and I don't really have time for that. So I did another pass just because I wanted to see if it would make it like even silkier, and it does. Plus my flat iron wasn't hot all the way. So, oh yeah, and this feels really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the rest of my hair. Ooh. It looks like I just got a fresh silk press. I'm moving my jacket down because this hair is already black. Now I'm gonna take my Afoji Gloss Therapy Spray. This right here. I'm gonna spray this ever so slightly because I already used the Bio Silk, but this just makes it like extra shiny, you know? We're going for the shine. We're going for the shine. Shine bright like a diamond. Look at this. Woo! Shine bright like a diamond. Look at what? I mean, let's be for real. Look at this. It's giving everything I needed to give, and then guess what? At the end of the day, it's still glueless. And also what I like is because they already bleached the knots for you, you don't have to, well, I don't need to put any like concealer down the middle. I really love that this density is 150 density with this kinky straight hair. I think when you get kinky straight hair, if you're looking for more of a natural look, definitely get 150 density, because anything thicker than this is going to look too wide. Like, I have had kinky straight hair in the past that I flat ironed, and it just doesn't look flat like this after I flat iron it because the density is too thick, and it just makes it look poofy, so it's hard to wear it straight. But this is that perfect like texture and the perfect density so that it looks like I just decided to flat iron my hair. Like, it looks extremely natural. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Adios till next time.